on the desert sand, two friends forever true. Little did they know back then what their paths were destined to. Companions spreading the word to the people who needed to hear. Oh, how readily did he accept Muhammad's message from God. Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, the Prophet's faithful friend, trusted and protected him. His love had no end. Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, Allah be pleased with him, companion in Jannah, oh blessed by Allah. Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, the Prophet's faithful friend, riding on the desert sand, two friends forever true. And this much did they know right then, oh, Allah will see them through. Companions on their way alone, seeking refuge in Mount Toor. They trust only in Allah's care, fill their hearts and souls with Noor. Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, the Prophet's faithful friend, trusted and protected him. His love had no end. Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, Allah be pleased with him, companion in Jannah, oh blessed by Allah. Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, the Prophet's faithful friend. As-Siddiq, the best of men, the Prophet praised you, so you shared and defended. You helped the message growing unto the very end. Oh, the Prophet's faithful friend, alone in the desert sand, Abu Bakr stands and cries. Tears roll onto his hands at the Prophet's demise. For they had stood before as boys and then as men, oh, believers unto the one God, the Prophet and his friend. Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, the Prophet's faithful friend, trusted and protected him. His love had no end. Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, Allah be pleased with him, companion in Jannah, oh blessed by Allah. Abu Bakr As-Siddiq, the Prophet's faithful friend.